Hey fam, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are talking about Cardano. Before jumping in, let's know what is Cardano. If you already know about it, you can skip this. In 2015, the Cardano project was launched with the goal of creating blockchain based on strong scientific research and industry's best practice. Charles Hoskinson is the founder of Cardano and co-founder of Ethereum and a strong believer in cryptocurrencies. Ability to disrupt the financial system was the main drive behind it. An IOC initial coin offering generated more over $60 million for the project in 2017. Cardano is known as Japanese Ethereum since it is attracted a large number of Japanese investors and blocked by Embargo, a business located in Japan. Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain which impacts that user can stake their currencies in the network of establishing consensus of valid of a new blocks and open source project which the goal of establishing a public blockchain platform for smart contracts. Cardano internal cryptocurrencies is called ADA. Cryptocurrencies are divided by three generations: first, second, and third. The majority of cryptocurrencies of the first and second generation. Bitcoin is the first generation cryptocurrency, Ethereum is the second, and Cardano is the third generation cryptocurrency. Being a third generation cryptocurrency, it is possible that this is the one of the reason why ADA is still so cheaper, because it arrived later, less people know about it. However, being a third generation cryptocurrency, ADA is far more flexible and has a wide range of applications than the first and second generation currencies. As a result, it stands for a reason that the market cap of ADA will eventually catch up the market caps of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some people claims that Cardano will become Ethereum while others claims that Ethereum will become Bitcoin. This means the market capitalization of Ethereum will reach to Bitcoin and the market capitalization of Cardano will reach that of Ethereum. That does not mean the price per token will change, at least not in the nearest future. If the utility is decreasing factor in cryptocurrency's final value, then the coin will be turned. As a result, in my opinion, it is usually unnecessary. The issue is simple: when, not if. And given the less than 5% of general public owning any cryptocurrencies, seems probably the most well-known cryptocurrencies will continue to rise in the value immediately. Charles Hoskinson just recently said that I still wake up every single day with the same dream: to help billions of people who don't have economic identity get in. Through innovations and value identity, this is our mission, and we will not rest until we have to complete it. Cardano is the most popular cryptocurrency for this. These are the words of someone who is completely focused. Charles Hoskinson is decided to develop of blockchain technology. I will never seen anything like it. He has gathered a group of bright individuals that shares his goals of creating the greatest platform possible. Cardano is so inexpensive because it is a new project that haven't got the same kind of attention as Bitcoin or Ethereum. The second factor is that there are 45 billion Cardanos. Because the overall supply is so large, the relative price per share ADA is low. Cardano's price is expected to rise again in the future, according to the specialists. But before you jump to these historical conditions, there is much more to why ADA is currently valued at the lower price. Cardano is a low-cost cryptocurrency. The upcoming launch of Goguen, dApps, and PayPal rumor list should be worth a lot more for a cryptocurrency, with so much projects going for it. This year alone, Cardano has generated a lot of buzz in the market, and it always in the headlines for a new project or a speculative collaborations. And this trend is good for cryptocurrencies prices. The price of cryptocurrency that functions as Ethereum young brother and is dubbed Ethereum killer will increase over the current levels. Cardano as a rapidly growing network. As previously said, excitement is natural for an altcoins. Hype is sometimes transferred as a massive adoption, which can destroy a currency if it is not used with a project that has a strong argument. I hope you like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.